Welcome to this Upsolver presentation where we're going to talk about time travel and replay. We're going to learn how to use Upsolver to populate an output table with dropped historical data from a recently added data source field. We're going to start by looking at our existing data pipeline output table in Amazon Athena. Let's go ahead and run this simple query to see the first 10 records. This looks good, but we've just found out a net total field was added to the data source 30 days ago, back on September 1st. And we've been dropping this data. So that means we need to evolve our schema and then time travel back and replay that data into the output table. So let's go ahead and jump over to Upsolver and we'll fix this problem real quick. Here you can see the current data that Upsolver is processing. We've refreshed the source data, and on the left you can see that Upsolver has discovered and added the field net total to the schema. It's highlighted here in yellow. We'll go ahead and click to add the net total item to the output schema. We're going to go ahead and select a big int type and add it. Great, our field net total is now in the output schema. Let's go ahead and switch to SQL mode, and we're going to replay the data. You can see here that net total has already been added to the existing SQL. So what we have to do to replay the historical data for the newly added field is we want to add a where clause specifying the day before the new field was added to the source. That way we can pick up all the data that we missed. Let's go ahead and preview that so we can make sure what we're going to send to Athena is correct. As you can see here, our net total field has been added, so we're good to go. Here's where we can decide whether we want to alter the existing table or create a new one. We're going to go ahead and alter the existing one. Now we're back in Athena, so let's refresh the data source so we can see the change. Now you can see that net total has been added to the schema. Let's rerun that simple query we did earlier, and we'll see the data updated with the net total field. Here you see the column header and associated data. The schema change in historical data was successfully added to the output by Upsolver. We're done now. It was just that simple. Thank you for traveling in time with Upsolver. Check our website to find out more.